Start with the name of Allah, who is kind and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you students. Today we discuss again chapter number 2 of Computer Science, class 10. The name of chapter is Programming in C language. In this tutorial, students will briefly explain the categories of high-level languages, for example, procedural language, structured language, and object-oriented languages. As we know in a previous tutorial, language is a way of communication between two devices. So we can say that any two devices, any two things can communicate with each other with the help of any language. So a programming language is a language which is understood by the computer and designed to make a program. And this program is used to perform a specific task. And these programs written by any programmer. In programming language, basically programming language classified into two main categories, low-level language and high-level language. And in this tutorial, we'll briefly explain the high-level languages. Just for a definition, low-level languages are those types of language which is easily understandable by the computer system but difficult for the user of computer because it is machine-oriented language and consists on 0-1 form. Low-level language also known to be as a binary language as well as digital language. As we know, we discuss about high-level language. So high-level languages are English-oriented language. It is user-friendly language because it consists on different English words. For example, printf, scanf, include, etc. The some major examples of high-level languages are Basic, C, Java, and Pascal. High-level language can be classified again into different following categories. As we read in a first slide, structured language, object-oriented language, known to be as a OOP, and procedural language. High-level language. First type is procedural language. Procedural language based on the concept of modular programming. In modular programming, a large program divided into small pieces known to be as a modules. A procedural language is a type of computer programming language that specify a series of well-structured steps and procedure within its programming context to compose a program. A module is a group of statements that can be executed more than once in a program. It means we can repeat any module in a procedural language with specific time of period. It is easy to design, to modify, and easy to debug. And different examples of procedural languages: Fortran, Pascal, C, and Basic. Very important, structured language. Structured programming is a programming that improve the clarity, quality, and development of computer programming because in this language we use different control structures, different selection structures. For example, in a selection structures, as we know, if condition, if else condition, different types of switch conditions. And in a repetition we use for loop, while loop, and do while loop. And these all different subroutines are used in this language. Basically, there are three basic fundamental elements of a structured language. First one is sequence, second one is selection, and third one is iteration, known to be as a repetition as well as loop. What is meant by sequence? Sequence means writing a program statement in a sequence, and compiler read the program step by step and also compile it in a sequence. And as we know on previous slide, selection means different types of condition: if else if, and switch. These are types of condition we discussed in chapter 4. Then same as repetitions mean loop, for loop, while loop, and do loop. The next one is object-oriented language. Object-oriented programming is a programming based on the concept of objects. Objects may be a car, may be a human, may be any other example. Object-oriented programming means OOP is a computer programming that organizes the software around the data or objects. An object can be defined as a data field that has unique attributes and behavior. The purpose of object-oriented programming is to produce well-designed and reusable code. It's mean object programming, different types of code can be reusable in a program by just its call a function. And C++ programming also support object-oriented language. So students, question for your assignments are: define high-level languages, define structured language with its basic element, and briefly explain different types of high-level languages. Hope so you will easily understand this lecture. If you have any query, ask your question in WhatsApp group. Thanks.